In the last lecture, we have studied the determinants of demand. Now we will see the types of demand. Let's see. See, we have different types of demand. Now we have understood what is demand. Demand is nothing but desire backed by ability and willingness to pay. Now we will see the types of demand. See, the first type is joint demand. Joint means what? The name itself suggests that when you demand particular commodity, you have to purchase the another commodity also jointly. For example, if you want to tea, if you want to prepare tea, you have to purchase milk also, you have to purchase tea powder, you have to purchase sugar. These are called joint demand. We can call it as a complementary also, because if you are purchasing petrol car, then you have to purchase petrol for it. If you are purchasing Parker pen, then you have to purchase that ink also. When two or more commodities come together to satisfy single want, demand for those commodities are called as joint demand. Joint demand is also called as complementary demand. For example, motor car and petrol, pen and ink, etc. There is a negative relationship between price and demand of a complementary goods. This concept, negative relationship, you will better understand in our next topic, that is elasticity of demand. Here, just remember negative relationship. The next, competitive demand. When two commodities compete with each other, demand for those commodities are called competitive. As the name suggests, competitive means what? Competition. So if we say Tata Tea Gold and Red Label, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, these are competitive goods. They are supplementary. It's also called as supplementary demand. Tea, coffee, or you can say substitute also, fan, air conditioner. Okay. Then composite demand. See, don't get confused with that CC. Complementary is different, composite is different, and competitive words. Competitive means only complementary, but composite different. Composite means which has more than one use. For example, water, electricity, wood, they have more than one use. Okay, so water can be used for drinking, washing, clothing. Electricity can be used for lighting, heating, cooking, etc. When a single commodity can be used for many purposes, demand for that commodity is called as composite demand. So if you demand for electricity, then that is composite demand. Why composite demand? Because we are utilizing that commodity for more than one use. Next, direct demand. Direct demand means when I want something, I go to shop and I purchase it. That is direct demand. So demand for sugar, clothes, stationery, everything, consumers demand it directly. They go, they purchase it. So that is direct. But what is indirect demand? Indirect demand is derived demand. Remember this derived demand word also, because all the factors of production have indirect demand. Now you have studied in 11th standard factors of production. How many factors of production are there? There are 4 factors of production. That is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. All these factors are important for the production. That's why they are called as factors of production. Land, we utilize land, we pay rent. Labor, we pay them wages. Capital, interest, and entrepreneur gets profit. So these are the 4 main factors which helps in the contribution, which contribute or which helps in the production. That's why they are called as factors of production. So all the factors of production have indirect demand. How? See, if I want soap, for producing soap, I need to build one factory. I want to, if I don't have my own, then I have to rent out. I have to take, I have to, I want labors also for that. So what you will see, for producing consumer goods, we need factory, we need people, we need entrepreneur, we need money, capital. So everything, all these required because of production of soap. So these factors are why we calling it as indirect, because we don't go to shop and we don't say that I want 1 lakh capital, or we don't say I want 5 labors, give me. It's not like that. That's why they are called indirect demand. Now we have finished with the types of demand. So go through the book, in the book whatever they have written. I hope you understood. This is very simple concept. This is very simple question. Thank you.